Today I was sent the Kiwi Design Battery Elite Strap and the Kiwi Design Audio Head Strap. So first off, let's start with the Battery Elite Strap. Seems like they've improved their packaging. Looks much fancier, more premium, make things better. Documents. And the cable management clip is the same back foam as all of the other Elite Strap designs by Kiwi, and the actual head strap itself. And last but not least, a lens cloth. So, on my Quest 2 today, I have the Aubika Battery Elite Strap, the BoboVR lens fog fan with the facial interface, Kiwi Design fitness interface. To get this started, make sure the USB-C port is at the top, and make sure the strap is at the top, and then you just clip it into the side clips here. So this Battery Elite Strap costs $90 US, and the regular Elite Strap by Kiwi Design without the battery in it costs $50 US. So you're paying an extra $40 for the battery in it. And then to put this cable clip on, just chuck it on the side and velcro it down. I like it's got two holes in it so you can fit the battery cable and the link cable if you want to use that. So you can just hot swap between the two. Or what I personally do is use the link cable to the headset and plug this into the fan up top so then it stays charged. It's the exact same as the regular Kiwi Design Elite Strap, except it's got a 6400 milliamp hour battery in the back. It's got 4 battery stage indicators and a USB-C charging port, so you can charge the head strap, and if it's plugged into the Quest, it also charges the Quest at the same time. Whenever the Quest 2 is plugged into the head strap, it automatically turns on and starts charging it, as you can see here. With the Aubika one, however, you need to click the button a couple times for it to get working. But it is, in my opinion, a bit more comfortable, as this part does cup your head a bit more, and it's also much skinnier than the chunky boy over here. Personally, I prefer the Aubika head strap, as it is also quite a bit cheaper at $65, and the battery Kiwi Design Elite Strap is $90, so quite a bit more. Although this does have a slightly larger battery at 6400 milliamp hours compared to the 5000 milliamp hour battery in this. Another benefit of the Aubika is that it's got little pull tabs on the sides, so you can take it off without thinking it's going to snap the actual speaker unit. Because with the Kiwi ones, you just have to pry it off, and it's just not nice. So like all the other Kiwi Design head straps, it's got 1 stage and 2 stage flip up. So if it's on your head, you can just pull it up, and then it's much easier to take off rather than having to untwist it on some of the other ones. The dial feels quite solid. The build quality is quite solid. It feels like it's going to last a long time, according to Kiwi Design. It's super strong and super flexible, although I've not tested this myself. Compared to the regular Kiwi Design Elite Strap, it's quite a bit more evenly weighted with the battery in the back. And compared to the stock Quest 2 strap, it's much better than that. But for my head personally, this does not cup my head nicely. Although your mileage may vary, because as comfort is different for every person. So now this is done, let's get into the audio head strap. Cool. So let's open this, and first thing you see, instruction guide on how to install it, so that's quite handy. And behind it is another manual for the head strap, boring stuff. And yeah, you get the same back cushion as the Battery Elite Strap and all the other Elite Straps by Kiwi Design. A lens cloth, same as the other one, and the audio strap. So right now, it looks a bit silly because it's not on, but once it's on, it looks pretty good. The ear cups themselves have a lot of rotation, have a lot of adjustment on them, so you can move them back and forth. You can also angle the actual ear cup itself on your head. You can't adjust it up and down though. These ear cups are super soft and super cushiony, so you'll barely feel them on your ears. So this head strap costs $80 US compared to the $90 of the battery edition. So you're paying $30 extra for the headphones compared to the regular Elite Strap. This also has the 2-step adjustments, so you can have it on your head, then you can move it up to get out of the head strap without having to turn the dial and adjust it yourself. During my testing of Beat Saber and just YouTube music, I found that the sound quality is alright. The mids are fine, the highs are soft, but it's lacking bass in my opinion. I'm not an audio expert, but that's just what I think about it. But what it lacks for in audio quality, it gains in ease of use, so it's just already on the headset. There's pretty much no wire, don't have to worry about whacking my hand on it. I don't have to put my bulky headphones over the top and plug in the cable. And also, you can't hear the sound from the outside of the headset. Comparing to the stock Quest 2 audio, this is also, once again, miles better than that. In comfort, you barely notice the ear cups on your ears. And also, it's using a fake leather material, so you can just wipe off all the sweat from it. It sounds a lot better than the speakers on the headset. You can't hear it from outside, and there's practically no wire when you're actually using the headset. This is the only audio head strap I've actually tried, so in my opinion, I much prefer having this compared to plugging in my own set of headphones for Quest 2 standalone games. If you're using Link mainly, I would recommend using just your headphones that you use for your computer if they're wireless, like using a 2.4 gigahertz dongle or something like that, because it doesn't have a delay, and also it's wireless, so there's no wires at all. The sound quality will be better on them as well. If you're using standalone pretty much the whole time, then I think these are actually pretty good to get. And if you buy any of the Kiwi Design products in the description below, you'll be using affiliate links, so you help me out without spending any extra money. If there's no deal on the Kiwi Design store, you can use Horizon's VR 5 for 5% off any purchase. So all in all, I think if you're using standalone mode mainly, you should get the Kiwi Design audio head strap. If you're using Link mainly, then I'd recommend getting some PC headphones that are wireless. If you're looking at battery head straps, I would recommend getting the Aubika Elite strap, as it's pretty much the same design, except this one fits my head more than this one, and it's also a bit cheaper and slimmer. So thanks for watching. I'm Ethan from Horizons VR. See ya.